Hello to all student. Welcome to IMD214 Electronic Publishing. Today we are going to learn about document layout in Adobe InDesign. For today, we are going to focus on specify the right paper size, create design grids, import picture and text linking. Adobe InDesign is a desktop publishing and typesetting software application produced by Adobe Systems. It can be used to create works such as posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, presentations, books, and e-books. So, first lesson we will learn about right paper size. Now, let's create a new document. Click on File, New, Document. Then, when the new document box appear, first we will go for intent. There are print, web and digital publishing. We can choose either one. I want to select the print one. Number of pages, let's say 3 pages. In this facing pages, just tick if we want display the document as book, but if want to display it as single piece of paper, just untick it. Start page, if we have been assigned in a group, maybe our friend already make the cover page and some kind of introduction maybe, and our part start in page 3, just type in 3. Now the page size is the paper size. There are a lot of size that we can choose from, either letter, legal, tabloid, A5, A4, A3 and many more. For example, let's select the A4 one. The width and height is measured as pica's measurement. But if we make a custom size of paper using another measurement such as inches, we can just fill this box with the word IN at the back, for example, 12 in and also 18 inches. But now I still want to use A4 size paper. And also we can change the paper orientation either landscape or portrait. Now is column, we can set how many column we want to be appear in our document paper, let's say 2 column, and the gutter is the size of spacing between the column, just use as its default. And margin also use default. And now click OK. Before we start, let's talk about it interface. So, I'm using Adobe InDesign CS6 version, that why I had brighter version of user interface. But if you have CC version, you have a dark version of user interface, but anyway, the function are still the same, so don't worry if you are using another version than me. Just like Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, we have toolbar here, menu bar here, control panel for the tool here, palette or panel bar here, and also the document in the middle. So the pages is already assorted according to the book layout, because we set it as facing page. It is show that the first page is on the right side, second page on the left side and third page on the right side again. Now let's move the design grids. As we can see, this big purple box is the margin box, or we set it as safety area. So, the text and image we use in this design must be inside the safe box, so when we print it, the printer will print it 100% of the text and images in the design. And 2 lines in the middle is the gutter, plain spacing area between 2 columns. We also can create our own guideline by click and drag from this ruler. Like this. Same goes if we a horizontal guideline, click and drag from this upper ruler. Like this. Now, by using text tool here, create a text box, and type whatever we wish. For example, let's learn designing. Using Move tool, we can move text around and we can resize the text box area size. Back to Text tool. We can change the text font type, font style, font size, and many more. For example, font type is Agency FB. Bold style. Size 30 pt. Now let's learn how to import an image. As usual, we can drag JPEG or PNG files into Adobe InDesign, but here is the difference. If we use single click, the image will appear at original image size like this. Now undo using Ctrl+Z, but if we are create this image box, so the image will appear based on the box area, like this. So be careful when you are importing an images. To move the image using the Move tool when the box is blue, but when the box is orange, you are just move the image in the box, and the image will be cropped. So to change the box, just double click on it, like this. You also can customize image area box by using Shape tool or draw it using Pen tool. For example, I will use this polygon shape, here. Now drag the image into the polygon shape. The image appeared in original size. Using Move tool, right-click on it, fitting, fill frame proportionally, like this. Now we will learn to link the text. Now let's import the text. So here we are going to import the text from Microsoft Office Word file, drag it like this, then click here. Red plus symbol appeared because the text is not fit in the text box area. Now using Move tool, single click on red plus symbol, now click here. Also we can create designated area box like this. Maybe in the middle we want put some image, and then continue the text like this. We also can use Shift button and single click to make the text fully appear. Like this. That's all for today's session. I hope all students learn lot of things using Adobe InDesign and enjoy the session. Thank you for your attention.